Today's pulse, the purpose of problems and why you need them. Why do we need problems? Problems help us grow. Problems define who we are. Problems challenge us to grow, to become bigger than what we are, to become more creative than what we are. Whenever we have a challenge, the universe is saying to us, I want you to grow. I want you to get to the next level. How do we grow and get to the next level if we don't have resistance to our everyday lives? Left to our own devices, human beings will just sit in fields and chew grass. We have problems, we meet resistance, we have obstacles, so we can learn, we can overcome the difficulties that are placed in front of us with creativity. We use creativity and the power of our minds and our imagination to see something better than we are experiencing right now. So we have to be challenged to reach those goals. Though we have to be pushed. We have to overcome the way that we think, what we believe, and the life that we are living in the moment. Because what we want is achievable. If you can imagine it in your mind, it's achievable. The problem, there it is, the problem comes in actually actualizing it into reality, manifesting that into reality. If we understand that every step of the way is meant to challenge us, we all have problems. Life is about solving problems. If we understand that, then we can have that as our base understanding of our day-to-day reality. Today, I'm going to have a challenge. Today is going to be a problem. Today is going to be obstacle. But today is also going to be an opportunity for me to learn, grow, and share what I've learned. That's going to help me get to the next level. That's going to help somebody else get to the next level. And collectively, we're all going to learn something new, and then we're all going to shift to a new level. Think about how much progress humanity's made over its entire existence. Think about where we came from. Think about how fast we're moving forward. Look at the technology that we've made. And think about this. Everything around us, everything in the room that you're in right now, if you're driving, if you're walking down the street, look around you. That was created by people for a need, for pleasure, for growth, and everything that those people made was made through creativity, was made from opportunity, that came from a problem, that came from solving a problem. So think about whatever you're going through, think about it like this. So I am going through some difficulty right now. How can I use this? How do I need to think about this? What do I need to learn about this so that I can understand it, master it, and grow through it to the next level, so that I can succeed, so that I can grow, so that I can bring something back to the community, and so that I can become better than I am today, a more unique human being, and I can grow from these problems.